shit. Veyron's back, dude.
Oh, got the Bugatti Veyron. Oh, look at that kid. He's going.
Go get it.
Fake Ferrari 250 GTO?
It's like based off like a Nissan or something, I think, or Datsun, or I can't remember. There he is, just jamming by himself.
Oh, is it the guy with all the bumper stickers and the dogs?
He's got the
Yeah,
dog for sure,
yeah.
yeah.
Don't be a little bitch on a Cybertruck.
What's the R8 behind him?
Doing?
He's totally gonna get pulled over. Alright, we got a Czinger on Rodeo Drive. Got a Roma here at 488, and then a Czinger. First time seeing this in the wild. Got the fighter jets layout.
Oh, yeah. What is going on there? Boom. Oh, oh, oh. Ay. Welcome to LA. They look so confused. They don't know what car it is, but they're gonna film anyways. Got the Dogo, the Czinger, in front of the Gucci. Oh. That's a nice. They're like, what kind of car is this? It's a 3D printed hypercar. What kind of car is this?
like, what do you think?
Best hypercar in the world.
Really?
Yep.
And then
Best
any
hypercar
financial
in the
advice
world.
on Czinger?
Influencers. Got
And,
the camera over there.
What's your dream? Like, take on Elon Musk? And how much is this car worth? Woo! Wow.
Cop is confronting the Land Rover. What in the world is this? Is some sort of art? You never know. Just typical LA stuff. SLR. Two-tone M4. Aston DB5? Is it?
DB something. What is that screeching I hear? Oh my god. Go over to my left over there. We got the Grinch and Santa Claus. Hold on. Boom. 16.4 blacked out Veyron in front of Avra here. This
Jaguar E-Type.
something going on there. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of cops there.
Yep.
You see that?
Yep.
Girl driving a Huracan.
Where the hell is your compassion?
Black.
And matte green. Look at this.
What they care.
Dude, oh my God.
She's like a head.
Clip, bro. What
Huh.
is she doing?
No helmet.
Oh my God. That's like an old school bicycle too.
Whoops.
Rally car, whatever it is. But yeah, it's like Roma 296. Something all the way in the back.
SLR. AMG Black Series.
18.
GT3RS. That's a Challenger.
Yeah, it's an old American car.
19.
Is that a G65? Corvette.
Another SLR.